To my channel, this is Cypers again, and thank you for dropping by. So ang topic natin today is a continuation of what we've covered last time, which is ideas. But now our topic is we can ask questions about our data using the ideas. So how does it works? So meron lang tayong data dito. It is already a tabular data. If you don't know what a tabular data is, you can watch my other video about Excel table right at the link at the top. Meron tayong tabular data. For us to be able to use the ideas, it is best to convert our data into an Excel table by pressing Ctrl T. Ctrl T, and then Excel automatically detects the data. All we need to do is we just click OK. So meron lang in-apply na design sa Excel, which is blue. We can actually choose our design, but for this one, I'll just choose none. So now meron tayong data dito na converted to Excel table. We can use ideas to explore our data. Let's go to home. Let's go to ideas, and Excel will automatically run the algorithms and provide you several options for charts and pivot charts. Kinover ko na sa first part on how we can select charts, but for this topic, we will cover this ask a question about your data. So, sa Excel, meron na siyang suggested questions. Itong mga questions na nasa below this area na to. But for now, dalawa lang yung nakikita natin. But if we click there, may mga several questions that we can explore. So, total sales for manager, excluding a certain person, sort category by total sales, and percentage of total sales for each category. So, ang pinapakita ng Excel is 5 examples of our suggested questions. So, pili muna tayo. Let's say we want to choose the total sales for manager excluding Ira Cruz. So, let's select that one. So, now we will get a pivot table for that specific question. Sales by manager, where manager is not Ira Cruz. So if you want this chart, you can just insert a pivot chart. So automatically, meron na agad tayong pivot table and pivot chart, no? So again, we can send it to our colleague, to our boss through email. We can just cut it and paste, or we can just paste it in our PowerPoint presentation. So now let's go back to our data. So let's explore more questions. So if I click again, if we choose total sales for beverage, now we'll get the total sales for beverage. Now, if wala naman dun yung gusto nyo malaman, let's say meron kayong your own questions, you can use the power of the natural query language in Excel. Like nagtatanong lang tayo sa ordinary person, we can ask questions naturally. So let's say I would like to get the total sales by city. So if I click enter, I'll get the total sales by city, and then pwede rin natin dagdagan yan, only direct. My question is total sales by city only for direct. Direct meaning here yung direct for the business unit. So, it's a natural language query. Kung maggagamit tayo ng ganitong language, let's make sure that we are using the column headers at the top and any other category names dun sa kanilang column. Say, if you want only to know about a certain sales for a certain location, then you can just type in yung location name nila. In this case, you can use Baguio, Cebu. We have those kind of names. And you can be as specific about your questions. Pwede nyong ilagay yung actual name and also dates as well. So, let's try one more question. Total sales for Cebu. Kung napapansin nyo, once we type something, Excel already comes out with a suggested word, no? Let's say ito ay hindi ko pa natatype yung buong name ng Cebu, but Excel automatically gives me yung word na Cebu. It means that Excel understands kung ano yung question ninyo, and if it is something that you like, you just have to click it. And then click enter. Now we have the total sales for Cebu. If I am too busy doing other things and I do not have time to create pivot table and pivot chart. As long as I have the data, tabular data, convert it to Excel table, and then I'll just use ideas to ask questions or to explore my data in Excel. So thank you for watching and see you next time.